Everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of December 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Pisces. So let's see what is coming up for my fishes for the month of December. I've already pulled out the cards to save time. So yeah, before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. These are the oracle cards. As as we move along in the reading, we are going to take these oracle cards. But let's start with the tarot first. Let's find out what is coming up for my fishes in the month of December 2020. Let's begin. Ooh, Ace of Cups. Some sort of a blessing is definitely coming towards you, which is going to add a lot of abundance in your emotional life. It is going to be like a miraculous thing happening for you in your love life. In it can be in any other area of your life as well, which is going to be an add-on in your emotional stability. So I do see some sort of blessing definitely coming your way. Let's see more cards here. The Chariot. For some of you it could be a love being expressed as well. For some of you, maybe there is a person coming in your life who is going to express their love towards you, the deep strong love that they have for you. This person could be a new person, this person could be somebody from the past as well. But I do see that your life is definitely going to get balanced as you move along. This offer, this love is definitely coming towards you in the very beginning of the month. So the beautiful energies are heading towards my fishes in the very beginning is what I'm picking up. Where you're gonna feel emotionally fulfilled, where you're gonna feel like everything is working well for you in all areas of your life. For those of you who have been single for quite some time, I feel like this is going to be the beautiful month for you to meet the one for yourself. A love offer, a new person, a past person, whoever it is going to be, it's definitely going to be an add-on in your life. This person is not going to make you feel drained. This person is not going to make you feel like chasing them. They are going to value you, respect you, love you, and that's what it is going to be like. It's going to be a very fulfilling month in the month of December. And I feel like there is some sort of a divine intervention happening here. Otherwise the situation wouldn't come like this. Something is happening, you are unaware of it, like, but things are happening. And I know it's I'm recording this video on the 29th of November, so it's like just 2 days from now there is going to be something beautiful happening for you in the very beginning of the month of December. So stay prepared, stay excited, stay happy for a new beginning in your love life, which is definitely going to add a lot of happiness in your life. Emotional fulfillment too. Let's see what the other card is. Ooh, Two of Cups. Wow, fishies, something is definitely happening for you in your love life in the month of December. You're gonna enter into the next year, next month, after the December with your soulmate, with your life partner in your life already. No matter you are single, no matter you are coupled, no matter you are in separation, whatever the case is, something beautiful is happening for you in your love life. Wow. I'm excited to see what's going to happen, like how it is going to pan out in our lives, because I feel like we can't rule out the that thing here, that maybe it's going to be somebody new, maybe it's going to be somebody from the past but with a new attitude as well. So it's going to be different for different fishies. But yes, some sort of blessing in terms of love life, in your love life, is going to enter in your life, which is going to, especially if your life has been stagnant for because of the love life situation, was stagnant, it's gonna start moving the right way. I feel like you are meeting your better half this month, this year. And as you enter into the next year, you will be already engaged or committed to this person, whoever it is, somebody from the past, somebody new. But definitely this person is committing to you, whoever this person is. Again, it can be anyone. But definitely for all the single fishies out there, for all the ones who are suffering right now in their love life, it's going to be a beautiful month when it comes to your love life. Let's see the clarify for all the cards here. Let's find out what the Ace of Cups is all about. Let's see. It's, for majority of you, it's going to be somebody that you love. It's going to be somebody that you love that's going to come forward with the love offer. That's going to and maybe they took years to express their love, But again, you have no idea what's going on in the background, in the behind of the whole situation that's happening for you in the month of December. Plus, you don't even need to know. Like, whatever you wish, whatever you desire, it is happening for you. That should be your true focus. That should be your, you should stay excited for that. You have nothing to worry. You have nothing to get upset about. All you need to do is you have to keep your focus that yes, you are getting finally your wish fulfilled regarding your love life, and things gonna move forward. um let's take one more card here. I feel like it's gonna be the person who has been holding themselves back. They are going to come forward to express their love for you. Wow. Let's see what the Chariot is all about. Eight of Swords, Five of Swords. Whatever the blocks that you are having, you are no longer having those blocks. It's like, either you or the person. If your person had some blocks about this person, about this, love life situation, those blocks are getting removed. They have worked towards those blocks and now they are ready to pursue this connection. If you had some mental, physical, emotional blocks, you have worked to get rid of those blocks, which is going to be like, I feel like, for some of you, maybe it's like you both had certain blocks, them their own, you your own, and now, like with the divine intervention into the situation, your blocks are getting removed. You are feeling more positive about yourself, about this connection, about this person, and it's mutual. I feel like it's more of a mutual effort that has been happening in this connection, but without you both knowing it is what I'm picking up. Something has changed in you, something has changed in that person as well, and the universe has done the magic here. It's like, the magic is being done. And it's not about you, it's not about your person, it's more about the universe, because the universe has finally made up, the whole, it's more like, the stage is set for the two of you, and now all you need to do is to just go there and just commit to each other, get married to each other, is what I'm picking up. So a lot of communication is going to be happening between you and your person. There's a lot of growth, abundance in the love life situation for you in the month of December. You might be planning a lot about your wedding, you might be planning a lot about your engagement, but yes, I do see commitment coming very strongly here. It's like, the best thing that can happen to you in this particular situation could be getting married to the one that you always wanted to get married to. The least that you can expect is the commitment. So this is so beautiful. And maybe not commitment, maybe whatever you wanted, you are going to get that, or you are going to get the satisfaction that yes, it is happening. That's going to be the least thing that you're going to have in your life. But for majority of you, I feel like it's going to be more than what you are expecting right now, because it's all going to happen out of nowhere. With the Ace of Cups, it's like, it's going to come out of nowhere like this. This person is going to come forward, marry me. Come forward, I love you. Come forward, and it's gonna be so unexpected for you, and I feel like it's gonna be that kind of a thing. Wow. And for those of you who are completely single and who are willing to meet somebody new, let's see. You have been preparing yourself to move on completely from anything and everything that you had in the past, and in that situation, I feel like you would have a lot of offers, but now it's definitely for somebody from the past, because you have offers, you are not accepting them. You are thinking of the offer that is like, coming from the person uh from the past. Yes, the person that you love. And for you too, like, I don't think that you are going to settle in for less than what you always loved. So I do see you getting married to the Fool, Ace of Wands, and Eight of Cups, and walking away from anything and everything and choosing the love of your life. So I do see, for those of you who are single, you still have somebody from the past that you are feeling attached to. So you are going to get a new beginning with that one person. But yes, I do see that love is definitely blossoming in the month of December for you. You are definitely getting your wish fulfilled regarding your love life. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading now. Let's begin. Anger. Safely express your anger. Use anger as a positive force. Honor all of your emotions as sacred. I feel like, for some of you, hold on. Yeah, for some of you, like I said, It seems like, for some of you, when this person is going to come back in your life, maybe you are going to show some sort of a tantrum to them, but don't do that. If you do that, it's not going to be nice, but eventually, like I said, it's going to be like a gift of God, so you are eventually going to get it, like, no matter whatever you do, whatever it's more like maybe they are going to understand why you're angry at them, why, or maybe they took so long to come your way and stuff like that, but it's safe for you to express your anger as well. It's all good. Okay, awareness. Live in the moment. Be conscious of your thoughts. Look for signs and guidance. I would suggest you to keep yourself focused on to this beautiful energies coming up for you in the month of December. Don't get into details. How will happen? How will this happen? How will this suddenly come? It cannot happen. It cannot be like, it's too being wishy-washy and thinking of something positive to happen in my current circumstances. If you are going to think that way, this is not for you. It is for all of you who are keeping control of their anger around love life, and who know that yes, they deserve it, and who believe in miracles, who are aware of the fact that miracles does happen. So yeah, let's see more cards here. Heart to heart conversation. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. I'm so happy for my fishies, and because I'm a fishy too, so I'm all excited for that as well. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. I feel like your person, whoever it is that is coming with an offer to make, they are going to express their feelings to you with the openly, as they never did in the past maybe. But again, there is some sort of divine intervention happening here. Again, you don't have to think about it, what is it, why, how, this and that. Hold on. All you need to do or think is to stay focused that yes, it is happening. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. um, I would suggest you to keep yourself with the positive people right now, so you don't lose this positivity. And I would suggest you not to, it's like, for those of you who are really, it could be a person's energy as well. Maybe they need some sort of support coming from their friends and family, and maybe they are trying to seek help from the angels as well. And if not, then for those of you who are single right now, maybe your friends are going to help you get back with the one that you love deeply. So that could be the case for some of you as well. Let's see more cards here. Choose love. You always have a choice. Make yours with love. You are going to choose love. Your person is going to choose love. Love is like you always have a choice. You choose fear or you choose love. Choose love, because that's going to bring you the love abundance that I'm seeing here with these energies here. If you choose fear, it's not going to be happening for you. So choose love. Just leave how this, that, just know that it is happening. Physical touch, a tender touch can mean so much. You are going to meet your person too in the month of December. Obviously, because we are, seeing these engagements, things happening, or something to do with meeting the person, and definitely it's going to be like, you are definitely going to meet the person. Maybe they are going to propose you kissing your hand in the month of December as well. So just prepare for that. And I feel like, for some of you, you might have been physical with this person too, and you have been having the soul connection with this person. It wasn't just the sex or the physical connection, it was more of a soul connection that you always felt with that physical touch. Let's see more cards here. Green, revitalize your nervous system. Spending time in the nature, spending time in the greenery is going to be very beneficial for you. Number 31. Bronze, strengthen your body. Number 14, it's time for you to work on your body. What are the things that you would be doing if you were getting married in the month of December? Start doing those things. Start taking care of yourself. Start taking care of yourself for the person that you believe is coming with an offer. So plus do it for yourself as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for the month of December. If the reading resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.